Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got done washing the car because we are going to a car show today. Waiting on my friend with the M4 to come. He's gonna meet me here and then we're gonna drive down there. I did some wax on it so you can still see little streaks, but I guess who cares about that? Hopefully with some wind it all comes off, you know. It looks good, but I have somebody coming to look at it hopefully this week, so this might be the last day with it, or the last car show actually. But yeah, sit here and wait for my friend to come and then we will drive down there. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Drop a like on the video, for Breezy at least. Should they drop a like on the video for you? Oh shit, you get copyright. But yeah, let's sit here and wait until he comes and then we will get going. I told him I was at the wrong car wash, so I'm gonna go meet him at the other spot on the way to the show. So, got a couple minutes there. Okay, we finally found him. Can't really see him too much, I guess. Exhaust popped out the back, so I had to stop and put that back in a second because the I'll show you quick while I'm waiting on him to come back. That side is that side is a custom piece, so it pops out super easy for some reason. But yeah, there he goes. Gotta wait on these cars. Go. But yeah, it's a custom piece. I mean, they redid that so it pops out super easy. Oh yeah, that's better. It hits the ground sometimes and the pops sound super weird. Oh, got the tight corners. Put the seatbelt back on. Making all the noise. That's funny. Okay, I'm putting the camera down so I can drive. I will see you guys when we get to the show now. Okay, we made it here. Just waiting to park. Sitting for a minute now. It's taking them a while. But yeah, let's get parked up and then we will see what for cars are here. Breezy just showing. Like an R32. Super clean. The Urus. Porsche. M8. cars here, but there's a few. Durango, Audi. Shelby GT500. I like the blue. It looks clean. Chevy SS. 2 Ford Lightnings. That's nice. Nice. Let's see. Line of cars there. Supra. Corvette. Those are nice. Got a Supra here. The wrap is kind of cool. Feel me? Super nice. Dang. We got the Mercedes. G80. Nice. Red comfort seats. No, it's got aftermarket tail lights. That's cool. Elantra. The M4. Nice. Infinity. C7 or a C6 maybe. Another C8. A lot of nice ones in here. Damn. C7, this is nice. Big lip. Z06. The red interior. Oh, it's a manual too. That's cool. Big wing. Damn, I like that. One day. Yep. We got an RS6 Audi wagon. That's nice. Sounds super good too. Damn. Look at the wheel. That's crazy. How it spins like that. And then it's on air. Damn. It's got roll cage. That's cool. And then we got the front lights, change colors. That's super cool. Damn. We got the Huracan here. That's nice and white.
It's not supposed to be like a family.
super clean. Then we got a M2 in the blue. That's nice. Jeep. That's nice. TTRS. Nice. That's cool. Audi R8 and 720S.
The white one.
The white one? No, I didn't. Actually, I did. That's cool. Audi R8. That's nice. Right.
He has a
V10.
he has an X5M too, very new.
Oh, really? We got the Chevy. Is this like an SS maybe? On air. Matte black, kind of cool.
Can't lose if you just keep coming back. It's gonna be okay, no, this guy just... He was way too far for that kid.
Okay guys, we made it back home now. End of that show. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Let's see if we can hit 200 subscribers. And yeah, I'll catch you next week.